Welcome. Today I am with JBL Tune 225 true wireless sound earphones, and I will show you how you can connect them with your iPhone. We got two methods, automatically and manually. You have to remember to charge them before the pairing request, at least to the 50%. Whoops. Okay, so right now we have to simply open the case, and it will be the automatically method. Remove both earbuds. And just take a look on the indicators right here. We have to wait until one of them start blinking on the blue and the white. As you can see, there it is. So we have to open the settings, go for the Bluetooth, select Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and right now just select your earphones by tapping once. Okay, right now we are successfully connected. So in this way I will show you how to connect them manually. Okay, we are disconnected. So at the first we have to turn them off. We have to click and hold these two buttons for 5 seconds until this indicator blinks 2 times on the white. So let's make it right now. Click and hold buttons, take a look on the indicators, and right now we can release, and we have to turn them on back. So you have to just do the same, but hold them for 2 seconds. Let's start. Right now we can release, and we have to wait until one of them just start blinking like that. Here they are, so just tap once. And as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.